Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are in introduction to Tableau Public to be precise. Now, one interesting thing about this channel is questions often come up when learners are having a go at stuff. And a learner asks this question: what happens if I need to replace a connection? I have an Excel sheet and I probably want to replace with a CSV file for another connection. What happens? And so this is an opportunity which is a typical experience learners have. Now here is the Tableau Public, and so we are going to we're going to simulate stuff, right? So we're going to look at this part of it, Excel, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a connection. Now, so we have this connection, and we now connect with to an Excel file. And so this is what we have. And say we are working with this sheet, and we have two connections here. We just connect these two, and then we go down to our sheet and we do whatever it is we want to do, right? Then all of a sudden we think to ourselves, what if I just want to, introduce a CSV file? What do I do? Now, one thing you could do is you could come over here to this. You can see this. You want a new data source. You click new data source, and then you come here. And then now you're going to, just again, I cancel this, and I just wanted us to pay attention to this. Now, this is what I am going to do just to give you a sense of what we are talking about. I am just going to put an arrow here, right? I'm going to, or rather, you can see this is it. But what I wanted to do basically was to put an arrow so you see it. Now we're going to look at the text file. So when we click on this, we're now going to a CSV file. Now with this, I open this up, and you can see that we have replaced it already, right? So that's typically what could happen. So just in addition, you can add multiple files too. So you can come over here again. I put this arrow over here. See this add button here, and you can use it to add a connection. Maybe I want to bring back the Excel file again and create an Excel file connection. But when I add this, you can see now we now have this over here. But still, you can go over here and still see that you now have a couple. And which means you can go over here, or you can come back to this. You can go over here, or you can come back to this. And if it feels like, I don't want to have all this, again, you can remove them from here by maybe either editing it, or you can come over here and you can typically remove whichever file you have. If you've done an additional one, then you can work with it. So again, that's one way you can do it. Again, like I mentioned here, you can add a text file just like I did here. You can see this is a CSV file, and then you can see that we have that already, right? And again, it exists here, so you have two of this, and you can just typically just move between both of them, right? So with this, you get a sense of what you want to do. And final thing, just as you have this second one, you can also choose to remove one of them, right? So that's a thing. So hopefully that answers the question. How do you replace a connection, right? And if you have more questions, just go to the comment section, or to the comment section and drop a question.